Yeah. Since 1986, on these roads, on these streets, Dokanaisuva police post, Tacirua. This is duty, baby. Established back in 86, we still stand tall. Concrete walls, but a heart for all. From Cunningham Old Road to Princess Road Line, Tacirua down to Sawani, yeah, that's mine. Veikoba farm, Delai, Valelevu side. Up the hill till Dokanaisuva pride. 40 settlements, 3 housings wide. Duidui, tamata, but one rule guide.
Population 45,000 strong. Every voice matter when something wrong. Na dodonu, dina, taura day.
We hold justice and truth firmly, even when tired, we still obey. Dokonaisuva, 1986. Years go by, but the mission still. Walking beats in the sun and rain. For the people we endure the pain. Dokanaisuva, hear the call. One small post, but we got them all over.
Roots in the land. Keleto Mateo from Namosi stand. Rusi from Loma, Isireli Vitilevu. Jason Miri, Valelevu crew. Vasu and Eddie from Kadavu shore. Island blood running straight to the core. Bimle Anasinu. Wasara Naimasi Serua. One badge we are.
Dodonu na Vanua edalako maikina. We come from different places. Iana Veikoba eduaga na dina. But service is one shared truth. Different paths, same uniform, same oath we chose in our youth. Dokanaisuva, 1986. Through the years we never quit. From city streets to settlement ground, we protect the lost till peace is found. Dokanaisuva, strong and true. Tacirua safety, we see it through. Every day we walk, attend the calls, knock on doors, answer walls. Sometimes bus take us to the scene, then we walk back, boots still clean. No complaints, no turning back. Beat patrol steady, stay on track. Yeah. Slow wine, feel the pressure rise. Island heat, but focused eyes, no siren fade. No spotlight shine, just duty first.